Hi, I'm Rob, and I'm excited to introduce you to our latest UVC 222 innovation, the Healthe WAND PRO. The WAND PRO uses powerful UVC 222 to sanitize surfaces in high-traffic areas in seconds. It comes in this practical suitcase, which was designed to be easy to use in offices, schools, public buildings, as well as planes, buses, and other modes of transportation. Now let me show you how the WAND PRO works. The WAND PRO is battery operated to be as mobile as possible. When it first arrives, open the WAND PRO case and insert the battery into the battery housing, ensuring engagement of the connecting pins. Next, remove the wand handle from the case. Then, while holding the wand handle and taking care not to depress the trigger, press the power on button located on the power supply within the case. Close the WAND PRO case to allow for easy maneuverability during cleaning. To begin the cleaning process, align the surface of the WAND PRO about 4 inches from the surface to be cleaned. When the wand is aligned and ready to clean surfaces, depress the wand trigger on the handle to turn on the wand lamp and fan. When the trigger is depressed, the indicator lights will begin to flash every second. Use this cadence to continually move the wand over the surface to be cleaned. Sweep over the surfaces with a smooth motion and cover all exposed areas. The wand shape in UVC 222 quickly clean hard-to-reach areas where it is not often practical to wipe or spray cleaning chemicals. When the job is done, release the trigger. Open the case to turn the power switch to the off position and put the wand back in the case compartment. The WAND PRO is the most powerful and mobile UV surface sanitizer that requires virtually no setup and is designed to clean hard-to-reach places in seconds. At Healthe, our solutions help create healthier and safer indoor environments, and the WAND PRO provides another powerful tool to kill bacteria and viruses.